Hello, my name is Alan, and this is my Python 4 presentation. This project was inspired by LeetCode and HackerRank questions. During class, I learned about the two-pointers algorithm, which I used in my project. The two-pointers algorithm uses the maximum values and the minimum values in a sorted list to find a value in the list. Here's an example of the code. During class, we did many examples of how two pointers could be utilized. One of them was the palindrome example, and basically it'll go through the word and find if like the word is symmetrical. So for example, if I input wow, since it's symmetrical, it would return true. But if I input hello, since it's not symmetrical, it'll return false. My favorite part about working on this project was learning the two pointers algorithm. If I were to continue working on this project, I would add utilizing more algorithms and getting a better runtime. Thank you.